This is some weird news. Honestly, there's not too many places covering this right now.
Okay. So we have the scoop?
No, I don't think it's a scoop. I mean, this site seems to know. Maybe they pulled it from local news. I don't know. It's only a matter of time before this gets picked up elsewhere, I would guess. But this was a Samsung facility in Austin that apparently spilled 763,000 gallons of acidic waste into a local tributary. No surviving aquatic life. That's a lot of gallons. I read this through. I guess actually there's a nice overhead image, like a satellite image, which will show you the tributary. So you've got.
So that's like a river.
You got water action in there.
Okay, yeah.
And there is some wildlife in there. And when they say acidic, this is the thing with the trendy water, which would say the pH level.
Trendy water.
Do you know what I'm talking about? Like when you're drinking the trendy water?
Like high alkaline?
Like Flow. Like I'm always drinking that stuff.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, you have alkaline water, and you're attempting to, with alkaline water, limit your acidity. It's very hotly contested and debated, and it's much like the pregnant man emoji.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's similar.
On water, eh? I didn't know that.
Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Anyway, as you can tell here, in an extreme case where you have this increase in acidity, apparently over a period of 106 days, the spilling resulted in the tributary's pH level falling to between 3 and 4, values that are overly acidic for surface water. All right, this happened apparently January 28th. At least that's when it was discovered. Now, I don't know, does Samsung call them up and be like, hey, it's a problem over here? Or do they just sample the water and then look for a source and realize what's going on? I'm not sure. But if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see that then they had to check on whatever wildlife, aquatic life would have been there. And they said no surviving aquatic life within the entire tributary from the Samsung property to the main branch of Harris Branch Creek near Harris Branch Parkway. So this big section, I guess whatever was living there had been wiped out. I don't know how much was living there. This is just obviously not an ideal scenario.
So is the city going to sue Samsung?
That's a great...
Yeah,
I don't know. Or is there some sort of a fine?
Yeah.
I think it would be a fine for something like this.
And what kind of waste is it?
Yeah, that's another...
Acidic waste? Is it like battery tech or something? There's a lot of questions here.
Exactly. Like this story was really strange to me. It's pretty vague. And then it's on a site that I've never been on before, fpsreview.com. So I think we got to wait and see if more stories emerge here that correspond with these findings. If anybody's local in Austin, you can let us know in the comments if you've heard anything about this. But I think we're going to see some more articles based on that article, and we'll get to the bottom of it. But take it for what it is right now.